Hello and welcome to another episode of Being Drunk Over the Top Of by Bob.
Is it that loud?
It's
Sorry.
extremely loud. Oh dear. So, past couple of episodes we've been frantically building. We have built a mob spawner. Apparently it's working quite well.
We'll go down and check that in a while to see what we've got.
Yeah. We now have basic power. Well, we've definitely got an alloy smelter. I've done that. Do you think your storage wall's finished, or do you need to work on it some more?
It's finished to the point I can do it. We need to get some nether quartz so that we can build the controller.
Ah, well, shall I put nether quartz on as soon as possible?
Yes, I will work on that today, I think. I think we've got all the stuff to make what we need for it.
Nether quartz is there on the list for you to do then.
Yep.
So today I was going to finish up conduits and therefore finish up power. Should we go and have a look at the spawner?
Yep. It's been running for what? An episode or so?
Excellent.
And just over.
Oh
so...
dear, that I've made a mess with that firewater, haven't I?
Ugh.
I think I need another mineral plank.
The pattern is pretty. We'll grow some mineral this episode.
Dude, we have 2 ender pearls,
Nice.
3 common loot bags, an uncommon loot bag, and a rare loot bag.
Ooh.
I'm opening the rare loot bag on camera.
Ooh. What will we get?
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh, pants.
Do you want them?
Yeah,
I mean, you have trendy black trousers on at the moment,
Yeah.
where, you know...
Do you reckon these go with the hoodie?
With your strange hoodie growth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Swanky pants. Well, you
Maybe I should start... Maybe I should start wearing iron pants in real life as well.
I think
You
they
think?
might be a bit heavy.
Yeah. Get funny looks on the bus as well.
Yeah. So, I cooked up some conduit binder. And I think upstairs I've cooked up some quite clear glass as well. Yep. So my plan is to make... Can you guess?
Conduits.
Yes. Fluid
Yay.
conduits.
I guessed.
Well done.
I am smart.
Basically what I'm figuring, and I might have to move the torch to... Where's my pick? Pick up this iron drum that I've been using as a lava buffer and put it here. Can I put a torch on an iron drum, do you think? I can't. It's incomplete. Not a full block. Boo!
Put it on top.
Ta-da! Conduit. And it's going to auto-extract. Look at that, drums filling up with lava. Now in true Direwire style, I'm now going to have conduit going all over the place.
No, make it pretty.
I refuse.
Pretty.
I will make
What?
it pretty later.
Uh,
I know.
Ugh.
You might...
No.
Oh, if you've got the mineral planks, thank you.
Yes. I made a tree happen.
Well done. So now we have lava flowing into our magmatic generators, which are supplying power to our capacitor bank, which is very nearly full. I have a sag mill there, and I have some coal powder and some silicon and a little bit of sulfur for some reason, which I'll bring upstairs now so we can decide where they're living in our storage drawers. Where would you like coal powder to live?
Near the coal? Over here some. Basically, this kind of right-hand side of the 2x2s is going to be stuff that we've kind of cooked up or made or whatever. So
Right,
the
no,
end column was going to be conduits entirely.
and we've got
the one with the binder composite in.
Okie dokie. So we'll have binder composite, maybe conduit binder,
Yeah.
facades, and then conduits or something.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's put coal powder there. Let's put silicon there. And I've got sulfur as well as a side effect of grinding coal.
Okay.
And I don't need all 6 of these coal powder. What I am going to do now, though, is go and do some alloy smelting.
Cool.
Because 6 iron... Now, let's put it in alloys mode. 6 iron, 6 silicon, and 6 coal powder should make electrical steel. And it's really important that you put things in that order. Because if you forget and do things out of order, it can make steel from iron and coal powder, which is not as useful. We need to do something about this smeltery. It is an eyesore.
I think it kind of needs rebuilding somewhere else, doesn't it? Do you have any ancient spores?
Yes, I have one. Did you take them?
I didn't. Where is it?
In the crate by the furnaces. Because I got it while sifting some sand, I think.
Cool. I'm going to turn this into... Will that mess up the tree? No,
It shouldn't.
Yay, we have a mycelium.
If you put a barrel on the mycelium,
Yep.
just like that, and you put some water in the barrel, which you can't do with a bowl, like that. Well, as it transforms, it should help to convert more.
Yeah, excellent.
I mean, whether that's true or not, I can't tell you, but it should.
Yeah.
I'm going to make some more room for more. Ooh, do you think I might be able to have those 2 ender pearls to make item conduits?
Yes, that's sensible.
I'd need both of them, sadly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Make 2 sets.
Yeah, well, basically, I've got 5 crucibles.
Right.
So, if I put another row of crucibles in, then that's 10. And I need 1 to come from the cobble gen and 1 to go into the drawer. So that becomes 12. And they come in groups of 8, I think.
Yeah.
So that basically means that I have to make 2 sets. Would simplify things a little, though.
Yep.
How's my electrical steel doing? It's finished. Right, first of all then, I will make our wrenches. It is dark. Why am I going all the way to the top to make the wrenches?
I don't know.
So a Yeta wrench needs basic gears, which needs sticks. So there's 1, 2 gears. Mr. Bob, have yourself a wrench.
Yay! It's a Yeta wrench, my favourite type of wrench.
The best kind of wrench.
Yeah.
Where's copper go?
Next one of these, I guess.
Boop.
Anything that's an ingot should fill, basically, these.
I had more copper on me and some gold. There we go.
Yes.
Should probably bring those down, really.
Mm. If we're getting to the point of conduits, it won't be long until we have enough to start doing that all automatically.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we can use transfer nodes for that, because it doesn't have to be quick.
Yeah, I guess. We're already transfer noding out of the smeltery anyway.
Yeah, we could just transfer node that straight down.
If we moved it to where the meshes are, if we move the smelt...
Need the draw controller.
Yeah, that's on my list. If we move the smeltery across to where the meshes are at the moment, we'd be able to go straight down, assuming that I've... No, lined up. Yeah, I have lined up right.
Let me
We'd be able to go straight down into the wall. Yes.
Where are you proposing that we do that?
Kind of over here somewhere.
Well, I mean, we
Basically
can knock a
this
hole
5
here.
by 5. Yeah.
So that hole is basically... That's above the gold. Well, one in from above the gold.
Yeah.
So if we move the furnaces downstairs, we could move the tinker's stuff that's on this quad over perhaps to this corner here. And then we could just move the smeltery over to where the sieves are. Or we could just build the smeltery out where it is.
Yeah, that'd work too.
And I want to set it down into the ground if it's not going to be.
And probably
quite
move it right
bad.
back into the corner as well.
Yeah, can drains be more than at the bottom? Or do they have to be at the bottom?
They can only be at the bottom, I think.
This is transforming, but it's not making more mycelium. I'm going to try watering it. Watering can helped.
Ah, yes, I did significantly help. Yay, mushrooms.
Mushrooms will grow as the witch water transforms as well. So they can be a convenient little bit of food.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm going to make a loud noise.
Got game noises turned off.
Cheat.
Yep.
Have I finished conduits yet? No. I need more conduit binder. Oh, that's upstairs. I have brains, ladies and gentlemen. I just don't use them.
You left a hole in the floor.
Yeah, well, it was so that you could see where you were doing stuff.
Don't leave holes in the floor. I'll fall through them and die.
There is that. I mean, you will.
Yeah.
I don't know why I made all that pulsating iron, you know. I only need one nugget of pulsating iron.
Yeah.
For the conduits that I want to make.
You only need one? I thought it was 3. The recipe
It's
change.
nuggets, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 nuggets per 8.
So I don't know why I made 2 ingots, is my point.
Yeah, can't hurt. Stone barrels. I'm going to get more of them, I think.
Okay, I'm going to switch this up from transfer noding to item conduits. And they are going to be on insert. And you are going to be on always active extract. Which should mean that they start filling up again. Excellent. Now we need to pop these conduits off. Pop an item conduit there. Inserting. And fluid conduits. All the way along. Oh, I don't need a fluid conduit there. If you hold down shift and scroll wheel, you can select what kinds of conduits you work with. Really cool. So this fluid conduit auto extract. This fluid conduit extract. So we continue to save up lava, which is good. I might simplify matters a little bit further later, but There's probably no need for me to do that on camera. So I could take another 5 crucibles. That might be useful. Do you know what? We have a sag mill.
Yay.
Do you know what you can do with sag mills?
Sag mill things.
You can mill cobble and you get gravel and sand.
Yay.
And if you mill gravel, then you get sand and sometimes flint.
Yay.
And flint can be used to improve sag mills.
Yay.
Features. So we have power. We almost have conduits. I just want to do some power conduits, which means I need redstone, which I don't have. So no power conduits today.
Oh.
I think. Anyway, let's check. Red flavour energy conduits need conductive iron, which needs redstone. Otherwise, I need energetic alloy, which needs redstone, or vibrant alloy, which needs redstone. So yeah, redstone. What on earth are you doing that's causing all that lag?
I dropped water over the side of the thing.
Don't do that then.
Okay.
Silly, silly.
I did definitely do it on purpose.
I thought you did.
Yeah.
Tell you what, if you can put 2 drawers. Have we got any more drawers?
Yeah, there's loads. I put them next to the wall.
Brilliant. If I take 2 drawers... Oh no, there's only one spare drawer here. No more.
No.
Sucks.
You fancy automating this?
That's what I was going to do.
And making debris.
Because I still have some conduits.
Use a 4x4 drawer.
Well,
We've got loads
put
of
sand
them.
in that. Feel free to lock it. Need to find some way to get me an infinite water source.
An infinite water source that's fed from... Oops, we got...
A fluid transfer node and a mining upgrade would work, but would need some GP production.
Yeah. The other option is a reservoir, which needs... fused quartz. And a cauldron, but the fused quartz is the expensive bit.
But that will be relatively easy once we've got this going.
Well, let me just see what I get from this soul sand I've got here, because I might get a load.
So I'm just setting these up.
I have 8.
Do you know what I didn't do this time round? Set my timer.
Oh, me neither. That was silly.
It was, wasn't it?
We're rubbish at this, aren't we?
We really are the worst.
Yeah, terrible.
Right, let's come back in a sec when I've checked how long this has been running. So it turns out that we're pretty much at the end of this episode. So I'm going to finish setting up this so that Bob gets lots of swanky quartz. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.
Bye.